Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make amazing Marvel stuff out of cardboard. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a sharp craft knife, a sturdy metal ruler, and a hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks. Also, collect different types of cardboard, like thick corrugated boxes for structure and thinner cereal boxes for details. Always set up a safe, well-ventilated workspace with a cutting mat to protect your surfaces. Next, it's time to plan your Marvel masterpiece. Decide which iconic item you want to create, perhaps Iron Man's helmet or Captain America's shield. Search online for printable templates or sketch your own, ensuring they are scaled correctly. Once you have your templates, carefully trace all the individual pieces onto your selected cardboard, making sure to maximize your material. Now for the hands-on part, cutting and assembly. Use your craft knife to precisely cut out every single cardboard piece. Remember to score any fold lines very lightly. This creates clean, sharp bends without tearing the cardboard. Then, use your hot glue gun to join the pieces together. Apply glue, press firmly, and hold each joint for about 10 seconds to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Finally, let's bring your Marvel creation to life with paint and details. Start by applying a smooth, even base coat of primer or gesso. This helps the paint adhere better. Then, use acrylic paints to add all the vibrant colors and intricate details, perhaps even some weathering for a battle-worn look. Finish by applying a clear protective spray to seal your work, making it more durable and long-lasting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.